This tutorial provides an example of how to use the Sensatus Capital Reorganisation APIs to process a Scrip issue in a different stock, i.e. a client is issued with a new class of security at no cost. Scrip issues are also referred to as bonus or capitalisation issues, and this reorganisation type is applicable to all asset classes. In this example, a client will receive one B share for every one A share they hold on the record date. On the X date, the A shares are valued at £1 and the B shares are valued at 5p. Using the Reorganisation Add API, set the Reorganisation Types ID to 16 for Scrip Issue Different Stock. If the Scrip issue cannot be sold and is classified as non-renounceable, then set the Reorganisation Types ID to 18. Both types create the same outcome, with the only difference being the classification of the event. We will set arbitrary record and X dates as they are not defined in this example. Set the new issue ratio and old issue ratio to 1 to implement a 1-for-1 issue ratio. There will be no fractional holding, therefore set the fractional value to false. Set the fractional return value to false as there are no fractional entitlements to be returned. Set the valuation price and currency to 5p, i.e. the value of the B shares on the X date. Set the parent price and currency to £1, which is the value of the A shares on the X date. Set the new symbol field to the Scrip Issue identifier, which is B shares in this example. Add a description and leave the remaining fields at their default value. Use the returned reorganisation ID should you need to delete it. The client started with 1,000 A shares valued at £1,000. The value of the B shares was £50 and the cost apportioned to them was £47.